There are multiple ways to record attendance in ChurchTrac. Which method you use depends on the situation and your preference. I'll show you how each method works, as well as cover common scenarios other churches use these methods for. Let's say you want to track attendance for your worship service. The best method for this is quick entry. Quick entry is the most basic form of attendance tracking in ChurchTrac. This method gives you a detailed record of who is in attendance. To activate quick entry, select one of the group labels assigned to the event, and we'll present you with a list of all the members of your church that has this group label assigned to their profile. Select the names of the people who are in attendance. You can either enter a number for how many guests are in attendance at the very bottom, or you can select the Add Name button and add them into your database. Also, here's a pro tip for quick entry. If your church doesn't need detailed attendance records and just wants a head count, you can do that with quick entry. Instead of checking off the names of the people present, just scroll to the bottom of the list and enter the total count in that guest count field. That's how the quick entry method works. If you have questions, read the quick entry user guide article or reach out to the support team. Live mode works just like quick entry, but in this method the names are displayed in 3 columns instead of 1. Also, live mode is a kiosk, kind of like check-in. The point of this method is to give you the option to let others check themselves in for attendance. To use this method, select the Live Mode button in the toolbar below the list of groups assigned to this event. Then choose which groups you want to use for this method if you've selected multiple groups. Then select the names of the people in attendance. To record a guest, select the Add a Name button in the top corner of the screen. Type their name, then enter the rest of their information to add them to your database. Live mode is perfect for small groups and Sunday school classes. The leader can open a tablet or laptop at the entrance to the class, and members can scroll or search for their name and click or tap on it. That's how the live method works. If you have questions, read the live mode user guide article or reach out to the support team. Security is top priority for children's ministry. That's why we've created a secure check-in that allows you to not only notate who is present, but also monitor when they're checked out and who picks them up. The best part about Family Check-in is you have 2 ways to do it. You can do this from your browser. Just select the Check-in button below the list of groups assigned to this event to open the kiosk mode. But the best way to do it is through the iPad app. In the app, you can search a family by a parent's phone number or last name. And once you select the names of the kids, you can then print labels that include special instructions for each child, and the parents get a matching family code. There are more details about the Check-in app than I will get into in this video. That's because the Check-in app is so powerful that we have an entire section of our user guide devoted to just this feature. Check out those articles and videos to learn more. And if you have questions, reach out to the support team. As great as technology is, sometimes pen and paper is still necessary. That's why we also include the option to print roll sheets. This option is best for situations when a leader isn't savvy with technology, or if you simply don't have reliable access to internet as you record attendance. In the toolbar below the list of groups assigned to an event, select the Roll Sheets and Options button. You can choose what information displays in the roll sheet by toggling these switches on and off. Then choose to print a roll sheet for just 1 date, or a roll sheet that includes up to 5 dates to check people off for attendance. The Select Groups to Include button lets you select which groups get a roll sheet in case certain groups don't need the roll sheet method. However, keep in mind, if you want the attendance data reflected in the ChurchTrac account, you or another leader will need to take that roll sheet and enter the attendance through the quick entry method. That's how to track attendance with roll sheets in ChurchTrac. If you have questions, read the Roll Sheets and Options user guide article or reach out to the support team. Leaders can enter attendance within the Church Connect app. This is perfect for small groups and Sunday school classes, but many churches use this to assign attendance tracking for worship services to another leader. Before a person can enter attendance in Connect, they need to be assigned to the group for the event they are tracking attendance for. So go to the People and Family screen, select that leader, and then select the Groups tab above their profile. Select that group label and turn on attendance tracking for that individual. Now, whenever you create an event and assign that group label to the event, this person will be able to enter attendance for that event within their Connect account. All they have to do is log into their profile in Connect, select the upcoming events tab in the Connect menu, and then select Enter Attendance. The process works just like Quick Entry, where they tap the names of the people in attendance and they can enter a guest count at the very bottom. That's how to track attendance in Church Connect. If you have questions, read the Entering Attendance with Church Connect user guide article or reach out to the support team. And that covers all of the methods of tracking attendance in ChurchTrac. If you need help, send us a support ticket or visit churchtrac.com/support.